Hello everyone and welcome to the pre-owned showcase here at Gerry Mazda and the Waverley Auto Mall. I'm Senior Product Specialist Dave Halleck, and here I've got for you a premium trade-in. It's a 2018 BMW X5. It's the 35i series with the M Performance package on it. It's in exceptional shape and man, this car can go. Let's have a better look at it. All right, any car is beautiful as long as it's black, as they say. You've got a carbon fiber addition down chin spoiler on the bottom, front parking sensors. You've got the fog lights and the projection halos on your headlights. They're adaptive LEDs. Continental all-season extreme contact tires with 20-inch rims in a nice gunmetal finish. There is a little bit of rash on the edges. It's the 35i. You have carbon fiber mirror covers as well. Multi-position passenger seating with memory and the seat extensions. It's got the M threshold pieces. Seats are in great shape. There's a little bit of wear there on the driver's seat. Nothing outrageous. Your various drive select modes, your commander dial, heated seats, heated steering wheel, multi-view rear view camera, auto dimming rear view mirror, large panoramic roof. You got a little bit of hidden storage back here, and your pop-ups for your cup holders. Heated rear seats with dual zone climate control. A couple of power outlets down on the bottom. Carbon fiber accent on the back with your hitch. And the X5, this year's version, had the dual split gate. So you had the little tailgate piece. Tons of hidden storage down below. And you've got the pull handles here. Oh, maybe you don't. You got to reach up for pulling on the seat. Every time we look at a car, we learn a little bit something new about it. That's why we do this all in one take. A few little scratches on the inlay here. It's got the Harman Kardon premium audio. Driver's seat, there's a little bit of wear here and a little bit there. That can easily be touched up. You have the heated steering wheel and power steering column adjustment. Paddle shifters, of course, steering wheel nice and clean. It does have a little bit of discoloration here. You do have the holographic heads-up driving display, which gives you all your various modes and the such. And this little guy has, see if we can find it here. It has 94,328 kilometers, which, in a beautiful premium car, this is what you want to see. Nice and clean, minimal scratches, every bit of the performance and the look that you want in your driveway. This is the 2018 BMW X5 in the 35i package with the M Performance Twin Turbo. You'll find it right here at Gerry Mazda and the Waverley Auto Mall. Call or text me direct at 204-298-0476 to book your test drive and get your pricing for it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the page, because as we get them, this is where you're going to find them first.